Before you commence the assembly process, we strongly recommend reading PDF instructions thoroughly to familiarize yourself with the assembly process and to check that you have the correct components. Work out where you wish to affix your wall plate, ensuring that it is positioned so that the area directly in front of it is flat, level, and able to support the structure. First, secure your wall plate batten at the bottom in the desired location. Attach the wall plate using suitable fixings for the wall construction. Ensure it is horizontal with a laser or spirit level. Important, the distance from ground level to the top edge of the wall plate must match the height of your post stops above the ground level. Bear this in mind if you are shortening the posts or sinking them into the ground. Now place 2 posts on a flat surface as shown. Then place the main beam, side with batten facing down. Use pre-drilled pilot holes to secure the structure with coach bolts. Take the edge rafter and align with the post ends. Secure both sides with the 2 100 mm coach bolts. Repeat this step for the other post. When the top pergola frame is completed and secured, drop the rafters into place on the main beam and use a spacer bar to space out your rafters evenly. Use 100 mm coach bolts to secure rafters on both sides. Add one of the short braces as shown. Align it to the underside of the batten on the main beam and the lower end to the corner post. Use shorter wood screws to secure the brace. Repeat this step for the other braces. Now, align the long brace with the top of the edge rafter and use pre-drilled pilot holes to secure it with wood screws. Make sure that the bottom edge sits flush against the post.